So today we got to move the truck just out of the shop temporarily. I have got the exhaust off, clean them up, and put a little bit of a high temp paint on those glass packs. Be pretty nice. I got the hangers still to go, but I need to move the truck so we can take our Chevy, taking it over to my dad's shop. It's going to the painter this weekend, so glass is just sitting in there. I need to take it out before I move. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can't get this thing running. Pretty sure this thing is dead as a hammer, but we'll see. Let's see what this will do. Yep. So while that thing charges a little bit, let's see if we can't pull the truck out and get it out of the way. This thing has a Rochester, I think that's the name of Rochester, like a single barrel carburetor. There's a little bowl in here that's got to fill up. My fuel levels, you can see it right there. So I'm getting fuel. That's just not, just ain't enough in there yet. Let's see what we can do. And my starter's got a little electrical stick. She's trying. I know this ain't got nothing to do with the Ford truck, but still pretty cool. One day we'll be cranking that 351 like that. Maybe. Killed it. Trying to feel for the key. She's spitting and sputtering.
Chevy.
All right, got the Chevy over at Daddy's. I'm going to ease this F100 back into the shop. Got a new starter. We'll bring it down here and may put it on this afternoon. We got a Sunday school party tonight, so ain't got a lot of time this afternoon. And I'll tell you about the exhaust headers that we got. Oh, and I got my alternator cleaned up too. All right, got a new starter, brand new. I'm gonna just get it in place and put the bolts in. Alternator cleaned up, gone through, works properly, painted. I've got to find the little sleeve thing that goes right here before I can put it on. Let me tell you about this manifold right here. You know, ours, we had it, I don't have them with me, it was broke right here. Then we got another one, I showed that to you, and Daddy cleaned it up, painted it, and it fell off of his table and broke this ear or eyelet completely off. So that one's ruined. Went to a local Ford guy, talked to him. He had one exactly like it. Went over there and pulled it off the truck, brought it home, and the two studs that come off the exhaust, off the manifold for the exhaust to connect to, the factory had missed the mark, and the stud was actually coming out the side. It's like you drove a nail and missed your stud. So it was hanging in there. I can't believe it actually worked like that without tearing up, but it was cracked already. So we could probably use it, but we're gonna take it back and just see if the guy will give us. We think he's got another one, so see if he can do it. So right now, I'm going to see if I can't get that starter on, and this transmission plate that goes right up under here. Yeah, funny, my phone changes lighting. I've got some help this afternoon. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Did you take a nap? Did you?
Yeah.
That'd be a no.
No.
All right. If you've ever put in a starter, you'll know that yes, it weighs a ton. There it goes. Let's lose that washer. See if I can't get it faster. Oh, shoot. After all that, I did it backwards. Yep, I know this is riveting video. But I can't really stop because I can't let go. So you get to watch. All right, that one's in. I'll get the other one in now.